What's up? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we made $10,000 this week. All right. This is 100% hands-free for all of the Boss for What members. Basically, they plug into my copy trader, and every trade that I take on my personal account, it automatically takes on their account. So they're able to make money 100% hands-free while they learn how to trade and start trading with the profits once they feel comfortable. So this is how we did it. So first of all, as y'all can see, Monday, we made $1,337.08. And as you can see, here's the trades right here. And we're just going to go through this. Tuesday. Oh, by the way, this is the Boss for What Telegram group. So if you are interested in joining, it's absolutely free. I don't charge anything for people to actually plug into what we got going on. Tuesday, $1,360.54. Wednesday, $1,656.62. And here's a previous video that I uploaded, how we made a 43K so far since this whole thing has been going on. Just a couple of videos inside the private group out there with the jets and stuff like that, back-to-back jets. But anyway, let's get back to it. Tuesday, was that Wednesday? Tuesday. I think I might have posted this one later because obviously Tuesday comes before Wednesday, but Tuesday, $2,366.22. Then we have, oh, I think that was last week. So Wednesday, this is this week right here. So Wednesday, we did $859.86. So it was a light day. Thursday, $2,483.28. Another video that I just dropped, basically educating people on percentages and how percentages work and how you should focus on percentages versus the actual dollar amounts. Friday, I had two updates. So Friday early, 3 a.m., as y'all can see, we did $1,064.69 by 3 a.m. So everybody was $1,000 richer already. And then on Friday, later on that day, we actually had some news happen. And it ended up jumping to $3,860.68 by 9 a.m. So that's how much we made that day just because of news and all of that kind of stuff. All right, so we jumped down, and for the week total, we did $10,540. And all of this is inside of the Boss for What group, where, like I said, anybody can join. It's absolutely free to join. No money up front is needed. All you need to do is fund your account, connect it to mine, and you'll be plugged into the system. All right. So this is just a video of showing proof to everybody that's inside the group. I don't have any courses or any trainings or anything like that for this. I just offer this as a service for people that's looking to make money inside of the Forex space, but don't necessarily want to trade manually, or they're just an investor and you want to find somewhere to invest your money. Past profits does not guarantee future profits. So I'm not telling you that we're doing $10,000 every single week or anything like that. I'm just showing you what we did last week because that's just what we did last week. All right. $10,514.88. All the proof is here. I even have my phone number on there for people that is interested in joining the Telegram link. But if you're watching this on YouTube, you can just click the link in the description to join the Telegram. And we also got a new system. If you're looking for a broker that is basically gives you trading credit from playing games, we actually have this implemented, and it's just been implemented. So this is how it goes. Once you deposit money into your trading account because you want to learn how to trade, which is what you would do with any broker, you're going to deposit money, whether it's $50, $100, $500, whatever the case may be. The broker actually gives you tokens. And with those tokens, it allows you to play games. And when you play games and you win, you actually win real money in the form of credits. So for example, let's say you deposit $500 in your account. You're going to get a certain amount of tokens. I don't know exactly how many tokens you get for depositing $500, but it's tokens that you just get from depositing money. You don't have to pay anything extra. You just get it from depositing money. All right. Once you deposit the money, it allows you to play free games. And in this video, I'm actually explaining that my brother was playing blackjack and he literally, I think he said he made $600 or won $600. That $600 now goes to his trading account. So he's able to trade with $1,100 because he deposited the 500. Then he made or won 600 from playing the game. And now he can trade with $1,100. All right. So that's how it goes. Hopefully I explained that well. I don't want this video to go too long. I just wanted to update you guys on what we did this week as a Boss for What team. And if you're an investor out there looking to park your money somewhere, we are doing a decent amount of returns on a monthly basis. Get with me personally so I can go over those numbers with you. But it's definitely way better than a high yield savings account or anything that you could possibly put your money into on a month-to-month basis. All right. I actually forgot I wanted to share something with you guys. I'm working on this right here for everybody that is really familiar with the ICC trading strategy. A lot of people that's inside of my group have questions on where to enter, when to enter, how to enter, where's the take profit, where's the stop loss, and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm actually working on this indicator right now that will allow you to basically know when to get in, where your take profit is going to be, and all of that information. So once I actually release this, or once it's finished, I'm going to go ahead and release it to everybody that's inside of my group. And it's going to be absolutely free for the first 1,000 people. So if this is something that you're interested in, you can also click the link in the description below. And basically, you'll have the opportunity to go ahead and get it. Right now, we only have about 250 something people in the group. So because we only have 250 something people in the group, and I'm giving out 1,000 copies of it, you're definitely going to get one until we start getting closer to that $1,000 or 1,000 people mark. And like I said, it's going to be absolutely free. But basically, what it's telling you is it's giving you your daily indication. So let me edit this real quick. I'm going to be explaining all of this stuff once I actually release it. So basically, it's giving you the indication. Come down here to the hour. It's giving you the indication, which is right here, but it's coming from the daily. So your indication is going to be this candle right here, because this candle is the candle that actually pushed all the way down. This is the candle that actually pushed all the way down, and it closed through all of these points. So all of these orange points is where it could possibly flip. So basically what we're doing is we're dropping down to the 15-minute, and at each of these levels, we're waiting on it to flip around and start going back towards this level. And this is going to be basically your high of the candle, which it could come and sweep that high. So basically all you're doing is just dropping down to the 15, and you're waiting for it to change on directions, but you're looking at it from these points of interest first. And if it goes right past that and just continue in an uptrend, then you're looking at this level, which is going to be your daily turtle soup. So this automatically has if you want to do a stop order, a limit order, and instead of you picking a lot size, and this is on MT5, by the way, instead of you picking a lot size, you're actually going to be able to pick a percentage. So right now, this is a demo account. And if I want to click 1%, it's automatically going to adjust the lot size based on the percentage that I want to risk instead of picking a lot size manually. So as y'all can see, 3.54 is the lot. But basically how everything lines up, this is your entry price, this is your take profit price, this is how much you would actually make in profit if it hit the take profit mark based on your entry. This is how much you will be willing to lose or risk if it hits your stop loss. So it automatically has the built-in amount. You don't have to do the calculations or anything yourself. And it's also telling you that we're looking for sales because it's bearish. So all of this stuff, I'm still tweaking it, still putting everything together, getting it together. And this right here is one of my favorite features, which is automatically going to give you to 1 risk ratio, 1 to 2 risk ratio, and 1 to 3 risk ratio. So you can easily just click on those and it'll automatically be set up. You can also drag and drop your stop loss. You can drag and drop your take profit wherever you want that to be. And it's going to manually or dynamically adjust over here. And it's just going to be really convenient for people to actually trade on MT5. Really, really easy, really simple. And like I said, it's going to be absolutely free. So if this is something that you're interested in, click the link in the description, join a free Telegram group, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. So if you're watching this video, let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you're looking for a group of people going in the same direction you're going in, make sure y'all tap into the Boss for What community on Telegram. The link is in the description. And if you want trading credit just based off playing games, the broker that I trust 100% is inside the description as well. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Peace.